si ampeni na me catch up Paul say me say gina ha catch up Paul biom say so far as we gina wo platform so aka say woni ma me say wa enda da woni ni bibia ye
me hu anim
ne mom no eyanyanko no Paul me say eyanyanko kekede a fa no yanko ne mom say eyanyanko na ye friendship na wutume ne daddy a Paul me dia antoaso ni ama techi ma aboa chirewa aguna swedro kwaman so me di bo dwenyan na me kam wata say ende ya me ne wo kase Paul Sefin na ekọ sa wotwe wo kwate tenten no na wo de bedi me ba ne bi me fin na ekọ sa wonnim na wo de wo ka me ba ne bi mu a nyame nhia kanam de anto ne ama so bo dwenyan
Abusuya Kelvin Taylor e de expose bi ababontin na expose mu na anokwasem ne se eya ye bloody e de ama Paul Adomotre Kelvin Taylor trese Paul Adomotre side chick bi on ne call out side chick na na dwen se wo hu han no into ne Paul Adomotre enko out bi mu na one ne betwa so no Paul Adomotre trese girl ne se ene sa na tie de a wan hwe yi a ode ne nkwa betwa so fi se wontimi ntina ho ma onu metwi ne nimwie no koja ne nsikwan sansemi ebeto abonten no girl ne maame so ababonten abekasa abra Paul Adomotre so babeka se ensem a Kelvin Taylor ka no nokure bi anim na girl ne kwase na Kelvin Taylor trese ne side chick no entisa na etisen emu nchiremu na mensaka amde babeso mu na ansa ne bekwakwwe video no make I will say cake center na asomasne a me de dwumade ebro cake center say ode bosume ba akonsi wa ode trese na cake any decoration into oba be ma entine fie fa san she ode mi fam entwen so bi komra no me kakrama unso sorry kona kusu adwuma na unso akwa aba ebe kakra de ama obi free cake center e was 055464 0178 0554640178 cake center able to dance man friend no now friend na wudi kan kwa discount be fu eda ho edema abusuya yanko ensem ni mu na yehwese na afi ensem ni sitie se ne nyina nim say bra Kelvin Taylor de o di ne dwuma ewo amonone a program o na friend say loud silence na no na obetena so na o expose amafo bebre na ewo program na so na nipa ba ko a obe expose no eye Owura Paul Adomotre ono na Kelvin Taylor eba be ka say girl be a friend say maame say wa side chick e de ma Paul Adomotre ono na kwa bontin no kwase no say videos bebre na Kelvin Taylor e de ba bontin e fa ho na ode Paul Adomotre e wo platform no say Paul Adomotre e kire say ono Kelvin Taylor no e boa na sasema o ka no entisa omra bontin no mra medina isa asema a woka no enye sanity na busuya Kelvin Taylor enso de sansemu ebetu udwa no na oba ne maame nso ba abonten be confirm isa asema a Kelvin Taylor eka no no creator do se Paul Adomotre ene ne ba maame se wa twempena a maame ne kra ede Paul Adomotre se obedi na chini ne ba maame se wa ba na ekita no Paul Adomotre se wo ye be ma onko no ko edi ne test no hwesa akwala no ebe ba na enye ne de ana na sansemu nyina beto abonten no na Paul Adomotre so ba abonten ade ne reply and the response every maame no ene Kelvin Taylor kire say abayewa no sane omo kasa nete ne nyesa nete na abayewa no onimu no na onimu na onimu no kwan ben so kwan ya Kelvin Taylor ka no so onimu no ana se kwan foforo bi so na Paul Adomotre kire say onimu no na o kire say ono Paul Adomotre bi si den na obekasa abayewa kama say we so obeje ne nkwa de afiri ne nsem wenim nyina nchiremu ene reply a Paul Adomotre e de mark Kelvin Taylor any abayewa no e maame ebusuya yenko ne sene ensem no esitie na yem
for life any de omo ye emfa me ho. But when it gets to that point where people try to threaten a man for life, I will not allow you. And Paul Adomotre is doing that thing. Mempe say ebetwas because only oba or relationship and I say oba na say oba ka say yentwa so a you don't push. Now Paul Adomotre or you the host or TV so or Ghana or yeah adie dangerous. And we all know Paul Adomotre is married. Makachemo has so many times. He sleeps with men and he sleeps with women. It's a fact. For about 6 years, he on a end that room back. I don't care. And the people who are close to him, they know. For about 6 on a end that one room that he knows what he's doing. Now, Paul Adomotre was seeing this lady, and whatever happened in the relationship, I don't care. But Paul Adomotre is now threatening to kill this lady. Obibeka says, "Oh, Kelvin Taylor is trying to disgrace." No, I know. These are things we. No, because that's a Paul there or a celebrity or no be a trap picture. No, I know what I'm talking about. And if Paul is going to contest this and try to show her, I will show things that Ebia Neye will see and they might not be able to walk out of their house. Because you have there are a lot we can show. And I want you to come on TV and deny that you don't know this lady. I want you to come on TV. I'm giving you 1 week, a week, to come on TV and say, whatever I showed, and now the way who know TV is a lie. I want you to come on TV, on your show, and deny that you know this woman from anywhere. And that for the past years, because there's more I want to show. I want to see your reaction. I'm giving you a week. Listen to.
Last year, I was invited by these two gentlemen that you see here to Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the video. Show them the video. This video I showed here. Now, Due Respect has a video of me and a lady whom I know well. She's like a family friend. She lives in Germany. And I was in Munich. She doesn't live in Munich. She had come with her family to Oktoberfest. And because I didn't understand German and I know her quite well, I asked her to come along. It's Oktoberfest, a festival, if you know. It's a festival. So it's happening on a park. Everybody's there. It's a very huge park there. And they were showing me German. Some of the park shows German history of German technology, entertainment, fun. I invited her to follow me. So she kept her nanny with her daughters, her children. And then she followed me just so that she can explain the German that the people are saying in case they are saying something. You know, we Africans, we're always suspicious like that. In case they are saying something. And Oktoberfest is a festival. It's fun. So there's hugs, there's pegs, there's all of that going on over there. So when she was leaving, when she finished and she was leaving, she held me and gave me a peg. And there's a video of it, which was loaded on the Oktoberfest Instagram page. Due Respect shows the video yesterday, says that the girl I'm dating her. I have bought a house for $1.2 million in Germany for her. You haven't even heard the words, viewers. I'm coming to it. And that I have stolen $10 million of Ghana airport money and deposited it in the account in Germany. And because the lady says she doesn't want me again, I don't know what it means. She doesn't want me again. I am threatening her. Absolutely, I've never dated her. I'm not threatening her. I've not. So I called her and I said, have you seen this? She doesn't know Due Respect. She has never spoken to Due Respect before. So she's asked her lawyers to draft a statement for her so she can put on social media that she's the lady in the photograph. She has no problem with me. I'm just a friend, a close friend, family friend. She comes to Ghana. She calls me. She's been with me and my family people at a concert in Ghana, Kofi Kenata. We all went to see it. We had all that fun. This Due Respect guy says, I am threatening the lady that I will kill her because I'm dating her and she says she won't date me anymore. I mean, such total fallacy, bizarre story because they don't have content. Please tell the Due Respect guy that I'm not threatening anybody. I'm not having a relationship with anybody, that I'm threatening her. As for the 1.2 million and the 10 million, you know, I don't even want to talk. It's total balderdash. I don't know why they think that everything is you have taken government money, everything. Why they can't live. I think the last silence, the Due Respect guy, has he worked before at all? Has he worked? Because I understand that he got a marriage certificate. He got married to some nice, decent American woman who gave him certificates, and I think he gave him life. Apologies to Kofi Gaps. A complete apology to Kofi Gaps. Kofi Gaps, I'm sorry, I'm not saying anything bad about you. But Due Respect, he got married to some American nice lady, went to America, and that is the beginning of his life. Marriage certificate is the beginning of his life.
Matisse, yes, Paul Adom say, or can the show didn't say the woman is a family friend. Abua. I feel maybe ma Okyere who the kind of person you are. Otu odwa wonu mechire wo. Me bait you and watom. It's not just a mere say. You know, my credibility is very important. There's one thing you can say anything you want to say about me. Obia sorry Kevin Taylor na broni aware no eno onye dwuma eno de paper babro. I don't care. I'm going to show you the intimacy. Paul ne ma girl we wo. Me wi na ma kire wo exclusive bi. So this is the same lady Paul say, oh, October 1st, keke. It's like she's like a family friend. Bibi anyhow. Okay. This is Paul.
You want to have this one?
I can see it. Oh, yeah.
Claudia's cocktail, right? Claudia's cocktail. The new name.
Yeah.
Claudia.
Yeah. Claudia.
Getting my new cocktail. Claudia.
I am showing you the intimacy between Paul and the lady. This is the same October 1st lady Paul say. He has never dated her before. Never. Onin to kwanko baby ada. Onim obano. I want to show you the kind of person Paul is. This is Paul Adomochri. Expensive dinners.
It's a bit for 30 children, exaggerated. Some of the minister.
Paul Adomochri and this lady, they even have breakfast in bed. This is Paul Adomochri.
I don't know who the old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South.
I've not gotten to the climax. Paul Adomochri and this girl, they go all the way back about 5 years. They have breakfast in bed. I have pictures, nude pictures, which I don't want to put on, but I want to do something first. Yeah, this is Paul Adomochri. Even when he's having a show at Metro TV, this girl sits behind the show.
Again today, you will be able to know when the goal comes, you know what the goal is. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come runner-up.
Where?
Paul the pain akotunko for akumem. So obi won ba na se e yaw e wona akumem na oka asem se a wo ye bema na se wodi ne be che so twon that
no ne Paul she Dubai. So what I say into Paul do your kwasiampe na me catch Paul say me san gina ha catch Paul biom say so far as we gina wo platform so aka say woni ma me say wa enda da woni ni bibia ye
me hu anim
na mom no eye yonko no Paul me say ye yonko kekede a fa no yonko na mom say ye yonko na ye friendship na wutume ne dade a Paul me dia ntwan so ni ama techi ma abo a chirewa aguna so aduro kwaman so me di bo dua nyaw na me kam wata say ende ya me ne wo kasei Paul Sefin na ekọ sa wotwe ukwate tenten no ma wodi bedi me bani bia me fin na ekọ sa wonnim na wodi ho ka me bani bia mu a nyame nhia kanam de antoni ama so bo dwanyaw nti masem no wo bedi ato sa wonnim ma me se wa na eyu nyame nhia ka ba bia wo bia kwasiampani
no minim se wakoma ba enibra ba in 70 no de waka akosi no de na kan pese me busa won no se nti se ma me se waware no egu ana se etime gina
ma me se wa no de boy ne nsa koma no ma me se wa de boy ne nsa e koma no
a oso power re ni biem
ma me se wa de boy ne nsa ko Ghana de koma na ebusuafo ma na ebusuafo no so je nsa no Emma yenim sa ware le gu ma boy no kura tu fi ma me se we fie ko ha ne dan but and they am ko hoyi minim so asane boy ne hihye oda because I am who say oni obe who say what na for ni but oboa
we nim I am my camera nim ko echi say
wa ho oboa
intaware ne de o hwa egu
awale na egu na ngu so aye ja awale ne yentwempra sesi asa na aware na ye
enti wo asem ebia obema na bafom kakra asem bia peso ka kire Paul de o kan on TV so wo ye ma me se wo ma me se de nsempa na peso kana etwato na yedi
dia me pese me ka kire Paul Adom kire se
kasa okay kasa
dia me pese me ka kire Paul Adom kire ne se me nana me Joyce na me wo ma me se wa me ye ne ma me ofi mi nsunu mu na e baaye Paul Adom kire me se efi nde kohwe na ho ne me ba na nda biom woni me ba ne da biom a anto enso ne amanyaw ena ne woni na de twom na nda so wudi nan no so no abo akire wa so adro kwa aman enso anto enso ne ama enya mo woni ne da biom e benya mo biom nyina me na me ka kire mo wo se oni mo yere ni mo ma wo yere oni ma me se wa kwasi ampani wo yere oni ma me se wa de me bufu se oye nya so sa wo mpra so wo mpramprafo so wo nchen yo kwasi ampani obusua ni obamambofo obeyufo Paul obeyufo wonan se akokohwere onam kubas induase
yedase asemi bibie de dru no ye sure se be sa to aso na me pese obia ehu ma me sewa ene nsema Paul kan se no kru ma na se no kru ba ende nwumre no wa magana fo nyina ehu asem ni nyina se emre bi se ye be se hia
year 2020 no start date again no kon na frame
Paul ankasa ne wodi nkomo we hu pen
Paul oni me pa because na me say ma me say wa yonko keke because Hillary ni pa no me ma ye aduane kwa ma na abefa ko ni fie da yeah oni me enti time me friend say the oni me ba na ye no nkwasa se no omudi na me feel say onim nyansa wo fie nyansa nti obe calm down na oni me akasa na oni me ba no so akasa na je se omotwa bibia so na bibia twa but rider no ono mo me di nkwasa se me ba ne me ya aka bepemene
what does say
because when I just on in jai no on nenam wo wi abaka say won nenen dada won nenen dada a wo ho so na won nenen dada am see me sama man 20 amansuo enyaw mon kwa na bade bi chinkwa say on ba hoda
na what
me friend ne papa bona man ne papa ka kire me say
why papa
enye we ye nya wanwa na ye friend say obi pa tumi di ne ba ne papa asma ka kire me no
why papa
mama say wa papa
now what is a Paul yire ana ne yira ka asem we se wate mama say wa asem da na bibi
enu mo de me ntumi nko ho because e ho de me nhyeda
nim de
na video yi e ba abonten no na amanfo se ne mo amunim se ne nsem ne beto social media na so sa na omu nja ama ne nko mbisa questions no me de ma de answers enu nti ne mu di kan ebisa ka ventela ne se nti we no opeso o kire se ne kwakwa ne se Paul Adom nyo no kwa na o ga na ho ye be ma o yere ene ma wasan akofa side chick nti se Paul Adom chakwa akofa side chick se ne Calvin Taylor so camera sine so abegina ho na o kire mu no o kire makosi se Calvin aye ni obi se Paul Adom aye ni obi nya ebi da na afi ni mu se bi sa maame no se wo maame wo ti ho se ne wani ho hantwe a waba Calvin Taylor show yi so ya wo na wo kire se wo kire mu yi kire se eyampa Paul Adom ene wo ba no etwemp na wo de nse esi ubo ebru nu ye nyina wo mu no omo hya ase ne wa hu enti se ba time pa na hu se wo ba ne Paul Adom etwemp na no ada na wanka ho asem na watena se afei a Calvin de ba bonten no na aba be dede wo ho ana sa time na Paul no sogu so anu bi na wonya kakra tafre wo ho enu nti na aka wo no tum na na wonum se wo ba no wokunu na wo hwe wo ba no mane bo sa abra no enu nti afei wani abre no wani ibra kwa kosisen dua na wo bo no wo bo na wo ba kwa kosisen afei ede na pesa wo kire Paul Adom ne te wonya sika ne bi di nti na aka wo no tum na afei de nti na afei na wo ba bonten aba be ka se Calvin Taylor anka anka o ma bonten e mekasa na ebi so e kyerɛ sɛ videos na e ba bonten anka wintela e kyerɛ sɛ sa videos we na kyerɛ sɛ poladomoche ene girl no e twempena no wo hwɛ video ni ye kura po na bebre kura kyerɛ sɛ girl no mpo ene de ne ho hyehyɛ poladomoche sɛ ne nyina nim sɛ poladomoche why celebrate na wagi din no obi ahu na obepɛ sɛ obɛbɛn no nti video no kura wo hwɛ sɛ ne video no kɔ na sɛ girl no mumu kura na air force sɛ one poladomoche no e betwa picture na so ne be video ebi so kura e kyerɛ sɛ girl no kura ne poladomoche obibi a nka poladomoche empene sɛ girl no nye video sɛ fi sɛ omo fa side check no omo mpene ni omanim saa so omo side check e be video beto abonten omo yiri no bo hu nim sɛ kwa fa problem e dey abro omo we no nyina ye questions bi a amanfo e bisa me gidi sɛ won so wo question ne wo doubt e wo video yi ahwe hu ma ye hu wo so adwenche sɛ ne wo si hu asemi e fa e wo comment o me kai wo sɛ aha e ye too much gh e ya subscribe my page me Adoma no so ama upload bi bia won sa etimi akabu so ya follow me so e wo Facebook e ye too much macra